funding for board of directors, ongoing mentorship and coaching. You can check more details about them on clarionvp.com. Then we have Cosmos Bank. They are one of the oldest bank in the country with 106 years of operations. They are leading multi-state scheduled cooperative bank. Presence in 6 states, and they are managed great leadership and professionally managed. They have a business volume of 21,000 crores. So finally, let TiE happen to you. Become a TiE Pune member and don't let this opportunity go. Be there at TiECon and be a TiE Pune member. Follow us on TiE on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. Network with others in the Pune chapter, and if you have any queries, you can catch hold of Mandar, who is standing right there, or write to him on the mentioned email address, or call him on this. Now, without any further ado, I'll invite Mr. Prasad Ghare of Cosmos Bank, who is who's with us, to welcome Ms. Ashwini. I'll now request Ms. Nandita to be here, introduce Ashwini and take the session forward. Thank you.
Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
Well, I'm not going to introduce Ashwini in the typical way. Let her do the talking, because that's what she's here for. She's one lady who has stormed the male bastion. Sorry guys, if I have to say that. Her metrics in her business is beds. Don't get me wrong. She has traveled the globe and has an Emir of Dubai as one of her clients. She wears many hats of a Kathak dancer, which she secretly told me when she came today. Well, had she gone into Kathak, we would have had a very famous Kathak dancer. She has this ability to turn adversaries into opportunities. And with the story that she told me, I was really very surprised at how she's been able to turn adversaries to her benefit and advantage. She believes in drilling down to the last detail. She manages various relationships like a daughter, daughter-in-law, mother, friend, wife, if I may say so, seamlessly. And what she told me was that she loves driving, and she has come often from Kolhapur down to Pune driving all by herself. Great. So let me introduce Ashwini Darigon. She is the Executive Director and CEO of Manorama Health Solutions. She provides IT solutions for the healthcare industry. Please come, Ashwini. Ashwini, let's know something about yourself. I think you should do the talking.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Thanks to TiE Pune for giving me an opportunity to talk something about me, which I always like to do. Anyway, let us start with the position gifted by God, with some special treats as a successful entrepreneur from the upcoming city, a mother for an international go-karting champion, Pradyumna, who represent as an Indian go-karting champion, karter in Malaysia, Singapore, Austria, at the age of 10 years. Now he is 11-year-old. Then again, a very responsible position with a different role model in well-established Danigon family. So this is all about in the current, since my young age, I was always outgoing and exploring at all different fields.
Yes.
Done with the sports bet, then very much fascinated with the dancing, Kathak dances, then the music. So that's all. And even currently, I like to. It's a personal interview, so not professionally, but still I am very much interested to prepare a different recipes in my kitchen. So that's all about previously. While taking a challenge from entrepreneurship, I lost all my young days passion, and now I'm only an entrepreneur. No passion altogether from younger days.
I think all the women here should be able to draw inspiration out of that. I don't know about the men, but let us hear something about when you started. What really drove you? Was it money? Was it a passion? or was it, you know, somewhere to better the world? You know, what were the really, what drove you to, you know, create this?
Yeah, definitely the make a world better, in a better place.
All right.
Yeah, I definitely try to improve disparity analysis, and from that, what I thought that we enter in this world with a body and an instrument to get a progress. See, progress have always many facets. It
Right.
depends upon the opportunities and everybody's capacity, how much they can acquire from that. But I believe for any progress, always we require a healthy atmosphere.
Right.
In Manorama, I try to do the same to help the doctors, hospitals, a well-established hospital infrastructure to incubate a healthy atmosphere with the help of information technology, than the World Healthcare Organization norms, to give a better services to the patient. They say that, see, for example, I can say that my passion is to give a better services to the patient through the information technology, and the 100% I always like to promote in India for the WHO compliances, which currently the entire globe is adopting that. So this is all together working fine. They say the healthcare people always say the health is wealth, but for my entrepreneur call is a healthcare is really a good wealth for me.
Yes. Let's hear about, you know, what was your biggest order? And, you know, particularly what you mentioned was that, you know, there were certain experiences which, which were negative, but you turned it around and made it very positive for yourself. And, you know, your biggest order, and what was that experience? What was that whole, you know, exhilaration? Can you just share that, please?
Yeah, definitely. I will address your first question, that which is the biggest order for me.
Yes.
Because as it's a last quarter achievement, then definitely I would like to share with everybody that we got tie-up with the Johns Hopkins Medical Institute for their association launching with Bharat Family India for the 80 clinics, 80 multi-speciality clinics within a 1 year of a span with the investment of 150 crores. So Manorama is declared as a technical partner for all 80 clinics for entire solution. So this is an achievement for Manorama, because Johns Hopkins, as everybody knows, they are very specific about the medical treatment, the electronic medical records and the audit trail reports. So when they declared us as a technical partner, we have gone through all these exercises and get certified our product for that compatibility. So this is again one achievement. Then again I would like to share more to experience or the good achievement from my side, that recently we got selected for the electronic medical record for the cardiac zone for Gulf country order, and that is again a biggest order, because we are touching for only electronic medical records, the OT module, a specific cardiology specialized OT, international OT structure with compliances of again WHO. So we are touching that order with the 1.5 CR for this application. So for Manorama, it's really a good achievement for that. In the same quarter, the last quarter was really a very good achievement for us, that we have completed our major installation from Gulf country, again from Dubai and Abu Dhabi. It's a medical super speciality clinic hospital, a big hospital with 5 clinics established in that territory. So we have done the ERP installation, the HIS installation for that hospital connected with the 5 clinics. So we have recently installed a complete HIS. So this is the first order for Manorama with the complete ERP structure, and the order value again touches to the 1 CR. So again this is achievement for Manorama. So these are the recent achievement which we have got in our profile in last quarter. So this is all about them.
Excellent. Now, what about your, the adversaries? The adversities that you faced, including competitors or clients. What were those experiences like?
Yeah, actually, adversity I always used to take that is a good sign for my organization. At least I came to know that what people think about me and what they want to promote in the market about me. So our good friends and the competitors and whatever, that they generally the statement